you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Ibon. Hi, 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 hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Ibon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, anak ko. Happy 39 birthday. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa ang ligayang araw at makakamit mo yung pangarap mo na tuloy-tuloy. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate. I'm wishing you all the best in your life. And always be happy and always pray to God. I love you, we love you, and I miss you. Bye.
Hello, Ate Yvonne. Happy birthday. May our Lord answer all your prayers and dreams in life so you will be a blessing to others. Give a healthy year and abundant more years to celebrate. And isa pang wish ko, kasama ka na. If always remember na Zach and I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ibon. Wish ko na sana matupad lahat ang mga pangarap mo at lagi kang healthy dyan. Happy birthday ulit. At saka gusto kong magkakaroon na ng apo galing sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Von. Happy birthday. Even after all these years, 4 years since I left Kuwait, you've never failed to make me feel remembered and loved. Every year na lang, meron ka talagang pasurpresang bulaklak at pagkain. Kahit saan man ako, mapaboracay o dito sa Roa City, grabe ka talaga. You truly have a heart of gold. And I'm so blessed to have a friend like you, no matter the distance. I hope your day is filled with happiness and love you always give to others. Me and my family is wishing you more blessings, good health, and reasons to smile every single day. Maintain lang ang love life. Love you always, my friend. I miss you, and I hope that someday mas makapag-celebrate tayo na magkasama ulit. I love you.
Good morning. Hi, Von. Kamusta from the Philippines? Short greeting lang. Happy birthday. Always have a positive outlook to life. Keep on smiling. At the end of the day, matatapos ang araw at matatapos lahat ng kabisihan. Take care always, and again, happy birthday.